Hey there, welcome back. Well, today we're looking at a battery-powered millimeter wave 24 gigahertz presence sensor from Third Reality called the R2. Just to be upfront with you, Third Reality did send this device to me free of charge, but this is not a sponsored video and they have no control over what I'm about to say. A while back we looked at the R1, which is a 5.8 gigahertz sensor. Then we looked at the R3, which is a 60 gigahertz sensor. Now we're looking at the R2, which sits in the middle, being a 24 gigahertz sensor. Runs on 3 AA batteries, offering up to 3 years usage. It has 5 sensitivity levels, with detection ranging from between 1 to 5 meters. The R2 presence sensor is selling for $39.99. Taking a look at the R2, on the front of the device, we've got these 5 levels with the little LED indicators, and the sensor is sitting in the middle over there. On the top side, we've got 2 buttons, a level button and an auto button. So as we click the levels, it changes between the different sensitivity levels. And on the rear side, we have our batteries. So it does ship with 3 AA Amazon Basic batteries. Initially, I hooked it up with Home Assistant using Zigbee to MQTT. As you can see, it is natively supported. And if we have a look at what's exposed, we've got our battery level, occupancy showing as clear. We've got a sensor calibration button. We've got the sensitivity level and the link strength quality. Trying it with ZHA, we have a very similar number of entities. We've got the sensor detection. We've got the calibrate button, sensor sensitivity slider, and the battery. Now, my experience with the sensor is that it does detect motion really quickly, but the holding of the motion seems to be a bit of a problem. So I've got it on my desk at the moment, and I'm sitting here at my computer, and as you can see, if I move, it detects me, but the moment I start sitting still for a while, we'll just wait and see what's going to happen. Give it a little bit of a time, and soon you'll see that, as we can see here, it's clicked straight over to clear. So in summary, after having played with the R2 presence sensor for a while now, I'm still feeling that this is more of a motion sensor than a presence sensor. So I'd be very interested to know your feedback. What are you using for motion? What are you using for presence? It seems, based on a survey recently, that presence detection is the most important sensor in your home. So please let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll catch up with you in the next one. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye for now.